as a factorial theory, SC to the 6, 64 B6. A cube whole square, 8 B cube whole square. A square and B square, A cube plus 8 B cube, A cube plus 8 B cube. A cube plus 2B whole cube, A cube plus 2B whole cube. A plus 12B, S one is into 2B plus B whole square. A minus 2B square plus into 12B plus 12B whole square. A plus 12B square plus 12B plus 4B square. A minus 12B square plus 12B plus 4B square. 4B square. And watch this and realize this. Everybody progressing me. Please subscribe me. Thank you very much, everybody. If you subscribe me, I'm more than grateful to you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.